How to turn off notification in IMO. Are the contacts, pings and alerts from the IMO getting a bit too much? Let's take a back control and silence those notifications in just a few simple steps. First things first, let's open up the IMO app and go inside it. Once you're inside it, you'll be seeing this type of interface and you'll also be seeing your profile picture at the top left corner over here. Tap on it and that will open up a list of options for you. From the options, simply tap on the setting. And from the settings, simply tap on the notification. This is your control center. You will see the toggles for all kind of alerts like messages, big group notification and calls. You can even manage the alerts for the things like people who have added you from here. Just check them through. And there's all section, communication and note. Under the communication, there's calls, friend messages and group messages. Under the functions, you can see friends activity, voice club, story, service channel, trending, etc. And for the in-app notification, you can see it right over here. In-app privacy and in-app sound. And other accounts, once turned off, you won't receive the notification from other accounts on this device. Now, simply tap the switch next to the notification type that you want to turn off. For example, I want to disable or turn off the notification of in-app. Simply tap on this and it's done. And you can do the same with other notification too. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully customized your IMO notification with notification where you must eager to disable. Let me know in the comments below. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.